Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all the latest updates.
जिन्होंने मेरे फादर को ऐसे मारा उन्हें यतीम कर दिया उस आलमों कब तक ये करोगे मेरे फादर को मार दिया.
On the Police Commemoration Day, there were emotional scenes at many places in Jammu and Kashmir. In Shopian, a woman broke down while she remembered her father who was killed by militants. Now, there have been militant attacks all across Jammu and Kashmir in all these years, in which many policemen have lost their lives. Just in this year alone, out of the 40 security force personnel who were killed in action by the militants, 13 belong to Jammu and Kashmir police. And in all of those 30 years of militancy, more than 1500 policemen have lost their lives. Now, police have been at the forefront of the fight against the militancy, not just information gathering, but also leading the encounters. In many of the encounters, police parties lead from the front. Of course, most of the operations that are carried out in Jammu and Kashmir are joint operations which are carried out by the police, by the army, and the CRPF. But police have always played a crucial role. The Director General of Jammu and Kashmir Police spoke today. He said that the morale of the kin of all those policemen who lost their lives in militancy is very high. He cited one example of Muhammad Ashraf, a policeman who died in a militant attack. He said that his daughter also wanted to join the forces.
गर्व का दिन है और शोक का दिन है. शोक का इसलिए कि हम उन साथियों को याद कर रहे हैं जो अपनी सर्विस के दौरान अपनी वतन की खातिर आपकी जान की आहुति दे गए इस वतन की सलामती के लिए. और गर्व का इसलिए कि उनकी कुर्बानियों के सदका हिंदुस्तान का जर्रा जर्रा मजबूत हुआ है. इस वतन की सलामती को और मजबूत किया है और अपने लोगों की सुरक्षा, हिफाजत और वतन परस्ती की खातिर हमारे उन बहादुर साथियों ने अपनी जान निछावर की. हम गर्व करते हैं उनकी शहादत पर.
And also, the Lieutenant Governor spoke very highly of the police forces. Now, the Jammu and Kashmir police force has emerged as a very strong force in the fight against militancy. Compared to other forces in the country, it is clearly taken a lead role in that context, and always leading from the front. They have given so many sacrifices, and it was a day to remember all those sacrifices.
सीआरपीएफ के उन 10 वीर सपूतों को याद करने का दिन है जिन्होंने देश की अखंडता और संप्रभुता की रक्षा करते हुए लद्दाख में 1959 में अपने प्राणों की आहुति दी थी. आज का यह दिन जम्मू कश्मीर पुलिस बल के तथा बाकी फोर्सेस के उन वीर शहीदों के बलिदान, उनके पराक्रम, उनकी वीर गाथा को जन जन तक पहुंचाने का भी दिन है. पड़ोसी मुल्क के फैलाए आतंक को रोकने में उनके साहस का कोई सानी नहीं है. उन्होंने बड़ी बहादुरी से देश की अखंडता में अटूट आस्था से बिना रुके, बिना थके, बिना झुके अपना सर्वस्व इस तिरंगे के लिए न्यौछावर किया है.
To once again to reach out and to connect with the kin of the policemen who lost their lives, that the police force stays and remains strongly behind them, and they will always make efforts to help them in whatever way possible. Clearly, the Director General of the police said that the morale of the forces is high as they continue to serve a lead role in the counter militancy operations in Jammu and Kashmir. In Srinagar, Zafar Iqbal.